Okay, here's a little more progress today. I got the brackets here. Let me get my hand in the way. Got my brackets here made for the steering swivels. And I'm getting, the next step is going to be get the plasma cutter going and cut my part here, and that will go up in there. Whoops, there. Okay, and then that will all get cut out, and this will be recessed back inside the frame beside these tanks. And so this, I just want to get everything lined up first, and then I can start cutting other stuff out. So okay, so here's our next progress. Okay, the next step, the plasma cutter. We're going to cut this square out right here, and put my little guide here, and let me see if I can get this old girl going. Let's see if I can't punch out a hole. Okay, we got our ground on, we got this on, I got my air pressure here. Whoop. Thursday night, everybody. Another day in the shop. Another big bud progress. Okay, we got today the front frame and the rear frame parts made and attached. And you can see how it swivels right there, and then how it steers. Those two joints right there. Then you can see the center brace for the drive shaft. And you can see the two steering cylinders. And I put the cap on the back right now. So I'm starting to make, it's starting to take shape a little bit. It's just still roughing everything in to make sure it all looks right. So I don't go too far in one spot and then it doesn't look right and I have to go and redo it. But so far so good. And I just cut out the top piece right here for the cab floor. So tomorrow I will probably start roughing in the walls of the cab, so I'll share that with you. Okay, have a nice evening.